Hi, I'm Lisa from Geneva Flooring, and today I wanted to talk about what is real hardwood. So people often ask for real wood, and I think usually they're talking about solid hardwood, which just means that it's sliced solid from the tree, still can be coated, and goes in like individual planks. But most of what we have in Southern California is engineered hardwood. And that's because it's going over our concrete subfloors. It doesn't need to be acclimated. It can be installed just 24 hours after being delivered to the job site. And what it is real wood on top, sliced, and then put on an engineered core for stability. So we can glue it down to concrete subfloors without it being porous and popping up the glue when it expands with the humidity in different seasons. So all of the hardwood in here, engineered and solid, are both real wood. So come in, talk to us about your project, and we can find what's best for you.